Good afternoon, folks. Todd Fitzgerald from Todd Sheds here on a wonderful sunny afternoon. Great day to buy a shed. And you know what? I'm going to talk to you about a shed that I think you would look great in your backyard. This particular model is 10 foot wide, and what we've done is we put a man door on the one side and a window on the other side. But what you haven't seen yet until I open the door, we actually split this building up so you can have one side for your storage and the other side for your lawn tractor, ATV, golf cart. So there's a partition wall inside. So this particular model has we put a partition wall separating half of the building, so you can put shelving in here and store all your equipment and stuff here. You've got the 10-foot trusses with a nice gable end, so lots of room on height and all that. So if you want to put higher shelving to put your winter tires on. And here's the best part: we go around to the side here. We got a double door. Now normally there would be a ramp here, but for safety reasons at our location here, we're not doing that. But we got a 4-foot double door, and you open up the double doors, and what you have here is you have room for your ATV, your lawn tractor, your motorcycle, or your golf cart. A lot of people are doing that now with golfing season being here now. And we have a couple of shelves to store your gears or your gas tanks or different things like that. But the partition wall gives you a separation between storing of your golf cart or whatnot and your buildings. Yeah. So we encourage you to go online to toddsheds.com and book your virtual or on-site appointment, or you can simply pick up the phone and give us a call at 905-244-5181. We'd love to talk to you about your storage requirements, and there's so many different things we could do inside. This is just to give you an example. Bring us some of your ideas. We'd love to work with you, so give us a call.